So, all right, in this video, we're given a linear equation which has been expressed in standard form 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. And we have asked to find x comma 0 and 0 comma y. Now, one thing about x comma 0 here basically means that we are to find what x-intercept. And in this case, we are to find what y-intercept. So now, what is x-intercept basically? X-intercept is the value of x when y is equal to 0, and y-intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So in an exam, in your SCT exam or any other exam, they can present it this way without mentioning x-intercept or y-intercept. So that is what actually these coordinates mean. So let's solve for A. So for A, we are required to find x comma 0, which represent what intercept. Okay. So in this case, we say when y is equal to 0, so what is the equation? The equation is actually 2x plus 3y. We have what? 2x plus 3y, right? Which is equal to 6. Now becomes what? 2x plus 3 into bracket 0, right, is equal to 6. So we have 2x, 3 times 0 is equal to 0. Is equal to 6. So x is equal to what? 6 over 2. And that will give us what? 3. So in that case, our x-intercept is equal to 3. So if I want to write it now, so x comma 0 will now be written as what? 3 comma what? 0. So this is our x-intercept. So for B, B, we are looking for what? 0 comma what? Y. 0 comma y in this case is talking about y-intercept. So that is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, did I say when x is equal to 0? Let me check. Okay, yeah, when x is equal to 0, we have 2x, right, plus 3y is equal to what? 6. Now becomes, right, 2 into bracket 0 plus 3y is equal to what? 6. Right, 2 times 0, that is 0. So we have 3y is equal to 6. So what's the value of y? Divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 3. Divided by 3, divided by 3. This cancels this. So y will now be 6 divided by 3. And 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. So in that case, 0 comma y is the same thing as 0 comma what? Excuse me, I wrote theta here. 0 comma what? Comma 2. So this is your what? Y-intercept. All right. Now, another way we can determine y-intercept, which is only valid for y, is to use the slope-intercept form of the equation of a straight line. Now, slope-intercept form of the equation of a straight line is given by y is equal to what? Mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. So all we just need to do is to transform 2x plus 3y, right, is equal to 6 to what? To look like this. So that implies that we have to make y the subject formula. So we can say that was 3y is equal to what? 6 minus what? 2x. So we can say also 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 6 divided through by the coefficient of y. So we say divided by 3 divided by 3. This cancels this. So we have y is equal to minus 2x plus 6 over 3. Distributing the 3 will give us minus 2x over 3 plus 6 over what? Over 3, right? Basically, if we find the LCM of this, it will still return this. So we now have what? Y will now be minus 2 over 3 what? X plus 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So this is the y-intercept. And if you look at it, y-intercept is what? 2. So I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and be looking forward to having you in my next video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.